Assalamu alaikum. Hope you might be okay in your respective homes. The biggest challenge of COVID 19, which is underway, is gaining wild pace day by day. Today, from entire Union Territory of J&K, 106 cases have been reported. The situation seems very alarming. It is better attempt to remain inside our homes so that this deadly infection may not affect us. When we need to move out of our homes in case of any emergency, we should keep physical distancing or minimize our physical contacts so that we may remain safe and sound. It's class 12 subject General English change of voice, and today it is the turn of present perfect tense and past perfect tense. I am repeating the things for you. Active and passive. We often find it in English language. An active sentence is a sentence, or active verb is a verb that is dominated by the subject of the verb. That is dominated by the subject of verb, and it's always normal voice. Normal voice. While as the passive verb is where subject of the verb is acted upon. And you must keep in your mind that there is only possibility of change of voice for those tenses or for those sentences or tenses where action gets passed from subject to object. Where action does not pass from subject to object, there is no passive voice for such sentences. First of all, you need to keep in mind how we design present perfect tense. For it, structure is like this: has, have, plus third form of verb. Third form of verb. Present perfect. For example, he has written a letter. Is present perfect. Simply, they have written a letter. With singulars, for example, one singular noun, Rashid, Kareem, we use have, we use has, and the rest plurals, and with I, you. Plurals as well as I, you, we use have with the third form, and the tense becomes present perfect tense. Similarly, had plus third form of verb, had plus third form of verb is past perfect. Had plus third form of verb is past perfect. So let's write down a present perfect tense first. Its example first. For example, Rashid has written a letter. Has plus third form of the verb, the tense is simply present perfect. And the same verb is dominated by the subject, so it is an active verb or active sentence. Rashid is subject, written is verb, a letter is object. I am changing it into passive. You must watch it perfectly. A letter is object, taking object first, has, plus been. In passive voice, always third form of verb is used. A letter has been written by Rashid. So it is passive voice is a letter has been written by Rashid. Take another example. They have shown us the rose garden. Rose garden. they have third form of the verb. So tense is grammatically present perfect. Here they is the subject of the verb, us is the object. And changing it into passive, we is the subjective form of the us. We. With plural we use have. In present perfect, we have plus been. We have been. It is third form. Is also shown. We have been shown the rose garden. We have been shown the rose garden by. They get us changed into them because the objective form of the they is them. Taking now the examples of past perfect. I have already told you that had plus third form of verb is past perfect. Had plus third form of verb is past perfect tense. Take an example. He had beaten a boy. He had beaten a boy. First example. Second example. They had written a book. Here he had beaten, past perfect, had plus third form of verb. By being the object where action gets received. So by had plus been beaten by, he gets changed into him. A boy had been beaten by him. Second, they had written a book. Here book is object. A book had been, its third form is written. You must keep in mind, in the passive voice, always the third form of the verb is a book had been written by, they get us changed into them. This is the active and passive voice of the past, present perfect tense and past perfect tense. The pace of the network being very slow here. In next classes, I will make you learn the rest of the tenses. Books, grammar books are available with you. You may see these things on the grammar books and get the concept well cleared. It is better for you nowadays to remain in the home so that this infection may not reach to you. Self-study having no substitution at all. Go on reading the books. Books are our friends. Thanks.